And today I'm going to be doing a squishy unboxing on this squishy package that I've been waiting for. I'm so excited. Ah! So here they are. There are 3 squishies. Let's take out the first one. Is this banana? So take it out. I already have another banana, so I could maybe give this one away. But here it is. It's so nice. This is awesome. I might actually keep both of them, actually. I don't know. It's so squishy. It's awesome. I love it so much. Okay, next squishy is my Jumbo Peach. It's like super, duper, duper big. It's like huge. So here's the squish. I'm going to take it out so it's not as annoying for you guys. Let's just put it up. It's like super... What? Oh my god! This is so soft! Oh my goodness. I already have a peach squishy, but it's not as awesome as this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I can smell it from here. Last one, oh, is my strawberry. Oh my god, it's so awesome. I love it. This is the best squishy package ever. Oh my god. Sorry guys, I'm so excited. Oh my god, they're so soft. Oh my goodness. So thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, subscribe, the red button down below, unless you've already have subscribed, and leave a comment down below. And yeah, like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And bye, guys.